Hey y'all, welcome back. We are back with another quick slay. So y'all already know you start with the cornrows. Don't forget to oil their scalp. Like, that is just so rude. That's so rude to me. So we're gonna put the ball cap on. Y'all can order y'all skin caps from me, link down below. So we're gonna put that on, cut out the ear tap holes, and then I'm gonna do one layer of lace glue. And then I'm going to go in with a spray right behind that lace glue. We're going to let that dry. And then we're going to put on makeup on the ball cap. Okay? Alright, and after that ball cap has fully dried, I now go in and cut as close to that glue line as possible. Do not cut your client during this. Take your time. So I go in and cut that, and then I put a makeup that is either super close to her skin tone or a little bit darker. But after that, y'all see I got it really close to her skin tone. Now we're going to put this unit on. Y'all can order this unit from my website because it's bomb. My 613 units come with HD lace. Where they do that at, y'all? Nowhere. So yeah, order your unit, link below, chysconstructions.com. After that, I'm just putting on her adjusted straps. My wigs come with bands and adjustable straps. So the wig is not going nowhere. Literally. So now I'm just making sure it's where I want it to be. Y'all know this is where I put my vision to life. I'm just visioning now. Now I'm prepping her skin. I go in and cleanse it with alcohol, and then I go in with a skin protector. You allow both of that to dry, and then I went in with 4 layers of glue. Let each layer of glue dry completely before you put the next layer on. But this is how I get my ultimate hold. Like, my clients tell me all the time, like, their wig does not come off. 4 layers, y'all. After that 4th layer has dried, we now lay that lace right into the glue line. So you want to take your time doing this because you don't want to put it behind the glue line or none of that. You want it right on that glue line. And then after we lay all that lace down, I'm now going to put an elastic band on, and then I'm going to finish styling her hair. Now, before I finish my styling, I do go in and cut my lace off just so that when I do go back and finish styling, my lace will still be melting down. You see what I'm saying? Like, we multitask over here. So we're going to cut that lace off with a razor, and we are going for a no baby hair look. So the second meltdown won't have any baby hair pulled out. So when you're going for a no baby hair look, cutting the lace is very important because clearly you will see it. Like, if it's not, you can't hide it. You can't hide it with the baby hair. So make sure you take your time cutting that lace off. And then we're going to melt her down again by spraying it with some Evian spray and putting our band back on. And y'all, since we're not doing any baby hair, after you melt it for the second time and finish styling, you're pretty much done. Like, this is the final look, okay? So we're just going to be doing little touches, defining her part, etc., y'all. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, just do the whole 9. Like, you might as well, you watched it this far. So just leave a little bit of love, and I will see y'all in my next video.